Welcome, friends. In this video, you'll witness something rare. Faces from history, brought back to life. Men of brilliance, mystery, rebellion, and art. These portraits were once still and silent, but now, they move again, animated in color, revived with care. Let's begin. Nikola Tesla, 1856 to 1943. Genius made visible. His gaze was sharp, futuristic, a mind far ahead of its time, in a face carved by elegance. White medium star 4. Percy Grainger, 1882 to 1961. A storm of music and madness. Wild-haired, restless, and brilliant. He looked like an artist caught mid-lightning strike. White medium star 5. Frederick Douglass, 1818 to 1895. Majestic and powerful. Every photo of him radiates strength, wisdom, and purpose. A face shaped by justice and history itself. White medium star 6. Ivor Novello, 1893 to 1951. Effortlessly graceful. Movie star features and a gaze that linger. He was born for the camera and the stage. White medium star 7. Prince Philip, 1921 to 2021. In his youth, a royal vision. Sharp cheekbones, confident posture, and polished charm. Regal beauty in motion. White medium star 8. Harry Houdini, 1874 to 1926. More than a magician, he was a force. Fierce stare, commanding presence. A man built from mystery and grit. White medium star 9. John Wallace Crawford, 1847 to 1917. The frontier spirit. Rugged and bold, with eyes full of adventure. A living legend of the Wild West. White medium star 10.